Welcome back to Potted Living, the show where we teach you how to grow all kinds of fruits and vegetables on your patio or their small garden space, and all in pots. And my newest addition, I've got a brand new citrus that I just purchased yesterday, and it is the Tahitian Pomelo. Now, it's a pretty small plant right now. It's maybe only about 1.5 feet tall, but it's looking very healthy. We've got flowers already showing themselves, some new growth coming all over the place, and it is the beginning of summer. We're just here at May for the growing season, so I'm very excited to see how well this does. Obviously, it has a lot of growing to do because the fruit is slightly larger than a grapefruit. I've not seen this variety before, so if anybody has and you've got some tips on growing it, I'd love to hear it. What I understand is they are hardy down just a little bit below the freezing point, so that's good for my region, and they are prolific growers, so we'll see how it goes. I will keep you all updated. I've potted this in a citrus mix. That's actually a orchid medium that I put on top to keep the bottom of the pot moist and have a little bit of acidity in there for the citrus, something that it's going to like and keeps it nice and airy. I've actually mixed some of that in the soil as well. This is a 12-inch pot with some good drainage on the bottom, so we'll see how this does. I will keep you updated as this grows. Again, this is my Tahitian Pomelo, the newest addition to my citrus grove here in Vancouver, Canada. Don't forget, subscribe and give your comments in the comment section below.